First we drink chai, then we talk about my favorite new book on learning, deep learning.
I think learning to learn is a process, and learned about this much later, almost while I was about to graduate from college. Learning to learn is a lifelong process, and you always need to redefine your approach, or defining how you approach certain things can really speed things up for you or help you make faster progress. So that's why when I learned that Radek was writing this book, it's called Meta Learning. On how to learn deep learning and thriving in the digital world. I was really excited. Radek's interview is one of my favorites, and we really talked about this topic. That's what this book is about.
Just scrolling through the table of contents now, this book isn't meant to teach you deep learning, it's supposed to teach you how to best learn all of these things that surround it. And I think I should probably just do a separate video on this, but the fast book is one of the best, if I may, books on this. And this short book, I think, is the best supplement to the fast book and the fast AI courses. So Radek really talks you through. I feel like I have heard Radek's podcast so many times. My interview with him, actually, again linked in this description of this episode. But I feel I've heard it so many times that while reading this book, it literally feels like taking a walk with him and having a conversation about how he would suggest that you approach this field. Uh, if I could condense all of the failures and all of the learnings that I've had, this book would contain it all, and I would just probably go in the past, give this to myself. I really enjoyed it that much. He talks you through all of these topics. How do you go from not being able to program to being a deep learning expert? Radek doesn't have a quote unquote technical background. And part of the reason why this is such a fun read is because if you've ever stumbled across Radek's answers or posts on the forums, he has an amazing flair for writing, and these have an enjoyable element to it. The book definitely does. So he talks about how can you start your journey as a developer. You need to be a developer, you need to be a system admin to some extent, you need to be a person who can consume math when starting out deep learning. And how should you consume all of this? Radek walks you through it. Should you fall into the trap, if you were to fall into the trap of theory versus practice? Fasey really talks about the top down learning approach, which emphasizes on the bigger picture, meaning that you don't get to know the theory, but you get to apply it first. And this is really counterintuitive for a lot of us because almost for the entirety of our lives, which is around about 16 to 20 years in school and in academia or in university, we just, it's very easy to title this, but helping you understand that, hey, this may not feel like you're making a lot of progress. And Radek very honestly shares that in this book as well. But repeating this consistently over a period of time is what helps you. So using reality as your mirror, now you need to learn how to set up VMs, you need to learn how to code, you need to improve your Python code, you need to learn about Kaggle, making submissions, whatnot. But then in the short term, you may feel like you're not making a lot of progress. Using reality as your mirror, you really need to zoom out and understand that. While following that, how do you improve your path as a coder, as a developer, as someone who's just stumbled into this world of, taking a keyboard, typing things, and magical things just happening on that screen? How do you become more proficient in that? And once you are making progress, how do you find projects to work on? And then one of the most important things, sharing your work, writing blog posts, creating YouTube videos. How to overcome that fear of, hey, I just started learning, how can I share this and how can I find feedback? But as you can see, this book is really a collection of advices, very broadly speaking, on how all of these little things that are around learning something that totally go undiscussed are heavily discussed. It's a great book for reading in a single evening. I think it's about 90 pages at this point. And then also because there's not a lot of honest discussion about the struggles of learning and how should you optimize that. Sure, there are courses by the best that teach you how you can optimize something, how you should optimize all of those things that are going on inside the black magic wonders of a neural net. It's not really black magic, but I hope you understand what I mean. And not a lot about how should you learn theory, how much practice should you put into it, what to do if you feel like you're struggling. And this is, I feel, a collection of advices that I would probably, the only collection of advices that I would give myself in the past. So I would highly suggest that you check this book out. It's linked in the show notes, video description. I'm used to saying show notes. My only complaint with this book is I wish there was a physical one so that I could ask Radik for a signed one. But I just wanted to highlight this book for you so that you can pick this up and find some value in your journey to learning deep learning. Thanks for watching.